Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the electrical wiring layout 1. The first one is the one lamp controlled by one switch. Very simple circuit, very basic circuit. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the electrical wiring and other topics. The material for this topic available in the drive. Drive link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we need to control one lamp by using one switch. So this is a lamp available. This is a switch is available. So we have the 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply is available. We know that the two terminals, phase and neutral. Neutral always directly connected to the lamp. The neutral link NL, by using NL, neutral is directly connected to the lamp. The phase is always connected to the lamp through the fuse as well as the switch. Neutral is directly connected. Normally the neutral is directly connected. Phase is connected through fuse and switches. The fuse used to protect the circuit from the rated current. If the circuit drawn more than rated current, this fuse will glow and this entire circuit is protected from the overloading. The switch is used to control the lamp. When the switch is on, the supply is given to the lamp will glow. When the switch is off condition, supply is disconnected, the lamp in off condition. So the one main requirement is neutral is connected directly, phase is connected through the fuse and switch. By controlling the switch, we can control the glow of the lamp. We can on and off the lamp by using the switch. We need to follow the standard colors. For phase wire, we need to use the red color wire. For neutral, we need to use the black color wire. For earth, we need to use the green color wire. Here earth is not shown, but entire wiring we need to run the earth wire also. Further, we need to use the green color. Now by this distance, we can able to decide how much PVC pipe and how much copper wire is required. Length of the PVC pipe and length of the wire can be decided. So this is 15 centimeter. The distance between this supply and switch. And this distance is 20 centimeter and this one another 20 centimeter. So totally 40 centimeters. So 40 plus 15, 55 centimeters. So we need 55 centimeter of PVC pipe. So that we can design according to the distance, we can decide what are the materials required also. Now we'll see the some procedure. What are the procedure need to follow while doing the wiring. The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. We already discussed. Neutral is connected directly. The phase is always connected through the fuse and switches. The phase should not connected directly. Always it should connect through the fuse and switch. Then only we can control and also we can go for the protection. By using the fuse we can protection. And also when the switch is off condition, the supply is not given to the apparatus. Otherwise the supply is always available if it is connected directly. And another important thing, protect the circuit with rated fuse. Fuse rating is very important. If the bulb is taking 2 ampere means we need to use 2 ampere fuse, not less than and not more than. Right? We need to use the exact rating of fuse should be used so that we can protect the circuit. We should not use lesser amount or higher amount of higher amperes. We need to use the exact amount. Insulation of wire and end of the conductors are very close to the terminal. So while removing the insulation, we need to remove what are the things needed, that portion only we need to remove. The insulation should not be removed for more portion. Only less amount of insulation should be removed and it is connected to the terminal. The insulation should be nearer, very close to the terminal so that we can avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. So the tight, while giving the tight, it should be exactly the same amount of tightness will be given, not over tight or not loosely tightened. and so that we can avoid the breaking of accessories while making the connection. So this thing we need to follow while doing the wiring. First is phase is connected through fuse and switches. Rated fuse should be used. Insulation and terminal should be very closer. And overtype, we need to avoid overtype and breakage of accessories while making the connection. Now we'll see what are the requirements are needed, what are the things needed while doing this wiring. That's one switch, one bulb is controlled by one switch. So the PVC contact pipe we already discussed, this 20 millimeter, the thickness 20 millimeter, diameter 20 millimeter PVC pipe is required 55 centimeter. We already decided 20 centimeter plus 15, it is 55 centimeters required. The diameter of the pipe is 20 millimeter because we are going to run only one bulb and one switch. So the 20 mm pipe is enough. The neutral link is 60 ampere 240 voltage, one number is required. The rated voltage is 240 and the current requirement is 16 ampere. Then fuse unit 16 ampere 240 voltage, one number is required. Then PVC box. So we have only one switch, so that 4 cross 4, one number is enough. 4 into 4, 4 inch, 4 inch to 4 inch PVC box, one number is enough. Then PVC junction box, three-way junction box is needed. That is one way, one side supply, one side lamp, another side switch box. So that we need three-way junction box is needed. Right, one is used for supply, another one is used for switch, another one is used for lamp. That one number is required. 20 mm. Already we have 20 mm PVC pipe, so that junction box also 20 mm. Both should be same. Then steady batten holder, 5 ampere 230 volt, one number. Bulb holder, one number is required. PVC insulated copper wire. The copper wire is 1 square millimeter is enough because only one lamp we are using. 150 centimeter is required. Starting from subplate to the lamp wiring, everything, it is 150 centimeter. Then SPST switch, that is the switch, normal switch, 6 ampere 230 volt, one number. What is SPST? Single pole, single throw, that is on and off, only one pole. Single pole means only we are controlling the phase, only one connection. Single thrown means either on or off. Double pole, double thrown also available. Here we need only single thrown. Metal saddle, 20 millimeter, 3 numbers are required. Then screw size. In order to tightening, the screw size is required. The 30 into 4 millimeter, 4 numbers required. 25 into 6 millimeter, 12 numbers required. 38 and 6 millimeter, one number required. So all this rating based on the incandescent lamp. We are using 60 watts, 230 volt, one number. So based on the 60 volt, the other requirement may be vary. So we decided to put the incandescent lamp of 60 watts, 230 volt. Accordingly, the above requirements are needed. So in this video, we discuss how to go for a wiring with one lamp controlled by one switch. Subscribe this channel for more electrical layout and other topics. The link is available in the description box. Thank you. Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the electrical wiring layout. Second topic, two lamps controlled by the one switch. The lamp is connected as series. Only one switch controlled by two lamps connected in series. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the wiring and other topics. The material for this topic available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we need to control the two lamp. We have two lamp available, lamp 1 and lamp 2. So it is controlled by only one switch. These lamps are connected in series. We can connect in parallel also. But in this topic, it is connected in series. So lamp 1, lamp 2 controlled by one switch. So this is a supply terminal, supply end. So normally this neutral is connected directly to the lamp. neutral end is connected directly. The supply we have phase and neutral. Neutral is connected through the lamp, directly connected through the neutral link. This is called a neutral link. The phase is always connected through fuse and switches. The phase should not connected directly. It should get connected through phase and switch. Fuse and switches. The fuse is used to protect the circuit. If any overcurrent taken by the circuit, the fuse will glow. Then the supply is disconnected to the circuit. So the entire circuit will be protected. So the fuse will protect the circuit if any overcurrent is taken by the circuit by glowing. So it will cut out the entire circuit. The switch is used to control the glow of lamp on and off. We can turn on, turn off the lamp by using the switches. So that the phase should be connected to fuse and switch. Fuse used to protect the circuit, switch used to control the lamp. Right? So the now neutral is connected directly. On other end, phase connected through fuse and switch. So if the switch is closed, what will happen? The supply is given to this lamp 2. Then lamp 2 is connected in series with the lamp 1. So that supply will given to lamp 1 also. Already here neutral is available. So here phase is available. So both the lamps are connected in series. So both the lamp will glow. But the voltage will be divided here. The current will be same because of series circuit. Current will be same. This 230 voltage is shared by lamp 1 and lamp 2. So that the brightness will reduce because we are connected in series. Series circuit means the current will be same, the same amount of current, but the voltage will be divided so that the brightness will reduce. So by controlling the switch, we can control the glow of lamp 1 and lamp 2. Both are connected in series. So in the wiring, we need to follow the standard colors. The phase wire, we need to use the red color. Neutral wire, black color. Earth wire, green color. Here earth wire is not available, but the entire wiring we need to follow. We need to run the earth wire also. Here it is not shown, right? So incandescent lamp, what we are using 60 watts 230 volt, so that we can decide the other ratings. Fuse rating, either current rating, everything will be decided from the rating of the lamp. So that is important. We decided 60 watts 230 volt. Now we can decide the PVC pipe requirement as well as wire requirement by seeing this the distance. So this is the 10 centimeter here. Here this distance is 20 centimeter. This distance is 30 centimeter. This distance also 20 centimeter. So by adding all, we can decide how much of PVC pipe is required. So it is nearly 100 centimeter of PVC pipe is required. This 20, this 20, 40, this 30, 70, then 80, this 20, 100. So 20 plus 20 plus 20, 60, this one 70, 70 plus 30, 100 centimeter is required. So in this diagram, the important thing is two lamps are connected in series. So the current is equal, the voltage is shared by the two lamp, so the brightness will reduce. Another important thing, neutral is connected directly, phase is connected through phase and the fuse and the switches. Now we will see what are the things we need to follow while doing the wiring. The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. We already discussed. Phase wire always connected through fuse and switches. And protect the circuit with rated fuse. Rated fuse means exactly what amount of current taken, that amount we need to use. We should not use more rating or lesser rating. The insulation of wire and end of the conductors are very close to the terminal. We should not remove the insulation much more. Required amount of insulation only should be removed, and it is connected to the conductor so that there is no open terminal, so that we can avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for over tight and should not breakage the accessories. Now we will see what are the requirements needed for this wiring. Two lamp controlled by the one switch. Then incandescent lamp, what we are using is 60 watts 230 voltage. Based on that, we can see what are the requirements needed. So the PVC contact pipe needed 100 centimeter. We already discussed. Based on the layout, based on the distance, it is 100 centimeter. 20 millimeter diameter is enough, because we are using only one set of wire, only 2 lamp with only one set of wires. The neutral link what we need is 16 ampere 230 voltage 1 number neutral link. The fuse unit what we need is 60 ampere 230 voltage 1 number. Then PVC box 4 into 4 inch 1 number is required. Then PVC junction box 3 way, that is 20 millimeter dia, 20 millimeter. See, this is also 20, this one also 20. PVC pipe 20 millimeter, so that box also 20 millimeter junction box 1 number. The one side we are using supply, second side we are using the switch, third side we are using the bulb, so that we need 3 way. Then steady batten holder 5 ampere 230 volt 1 number. Then PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter is enough, because we are using only 2 bulb, 290 centimeter is required. Then SPDT switch 6 ampere 230 volt 1 number. Single pole, single throne, only single pole, only phase is controlled. Single throne means on or off. Then metal saddle 20 millimeter, we need 6 numbers. Then screw, steel screw, what we need is 30 into 4 millimeter 4 numbers, 25 into 6 millimeter 80 numbers, 38 into 6 millimeter 2 numbers. So these are all the required materials for doing this wiring. 2 bulb connected in series, controlled by the one single switch. So subscribe this channel for more videos and notification. The link is available in the description box. Thank you. Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the electrical wiring layout third model, third type. That is 2 lamp controlled by the 2 switches parallel. There are 2 lamp available, controlled by 2 different switches, independent, connected in parallel. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the wiring and other topics. The material available in the drive, the link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Now consider the 2 lamps are available here. So lamp 1 and lamp 2 is connected in parallel. The series is connected in series topic, that is available in the previous topic. 2 lamp connected in series, but in this topic 2 lamps are connected in parallel. Parallel means the voltage will be same. The same amount of voltage is given to lamp 1 as well as lamp 2. But if it is connected in series, means the voltage will be different. So we have lamp 1, lamp 2. There are 2 switches, switch 1 and switch 2. Lamp 1 is controlled by switch S1. Lamp 2 is controlled by switch S2. So this is the supply end. 230 voltage, 50 hertz AC supply is available. So we have 2 terminal, phase and neutral. So the neutral is always connected directly. Only phase is controlled through the switch. So fuse is neutral is connected through neutral link to the lamp directly. So this neutral is connected. From neutral one more tapping is taken, that is given to the next lamp. So that neutral is connected to lamp 1 as well as lamp 2 directly. So this is called a tapping. We need to take one tapping, then that wire is connected to lamp 2. Now the phase is connected through the fuse. The fuse used for protecting the circuit. If any over current taken by this circuit, the fuse will glow. Glow means it will cut the entire circuit, so that the circuit is disconnected from the phase. Then it is given to the switch, one terminal switch is there. So if you turn on the switch, this connection will be, the connection will be made. If now it is in off condition, if you turn on the switch, means the connection will be, this is connected. If it is connected, the phase will be given to another end of the lamp. Already neutral available. Now when it is turned on the switch, this contact will be made. Due to the contact, the phase will apply to the lamp. so the lamp will glow. If the switch is turned off, in off condition means this connection will be disconnected. This terminal will be disconnected, the lamp will be in off condition. So independently by turn on, turn off, we can control the glow of this lamp. Now phase is available here. One tapping is taken, that is given to the next switch S2, one terminal of the switch S2. So this is called a tapping. The phase available through the fuse, it is connected to one end of the switch. In order to connect the next switch, one tapping is taken, that is run, the wire is run and given to the next switch. So by closing the switch, this contact will be made and phase is given to the second lamp. So the lamp will glow. If it is disconnected, the lamp will be in off condition. So the lamp 2 is controlled by the switch S2. So we can control lamp 1 and lamp 2 independently by using the switch S1 and S2. Right? So the neutral is connected directly to the lamp, phase is connected through the fuse, switch S1 as well as S2. During the wiring, we need to follow the standard colors of the wire. The phase wire, we need to use the red color wire. Neutral, we need to use the black color wire. For earth, we need to use the green color wire. The earth is not shown here, but entire electrical layout, we need to run the earth wire also, but it is not shown here. Then incandescent lamp, what we are using, 60 watts, 230 voltage. So based on that only we can decide the wire size, everything, so that lamp rating is very important. Now by seeing the distance, we can decide the how much length of PVC pipe is required, how much length of wire is required. So this is 10 centimeter, this is 30 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. So that this is also 20 centimeter. This will be another 20 centimeter. So the 20 plus 20 40, here on 40 80, this one 90 plus 30, 120 centimeter of PVC pipe is required. 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60, 60 plus 20 80, 80 plus 10 90, 90 plus 30, 120 centimeter of PVC pipe is required. Now we'll go to the what are the precautions we need to follow. What are the steps we need to follow during the connection? The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. Only neutral is connected directly. The phase wire always it should connected through the fuse and switches. Protect the circuit with rated fuse. Rated amount of fuse should be used, not much more or not lesser. Insulation of wire and end of the conductors are very close to the terminals. While removing the insulation, we need to remove the required amount. We should not use more insulations, so that it is very close to the terminal, so that we can avoid the open terminal and we can avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. Should not go for any over tight. What amount of tightness required, that only we need to apply, so that we can avoid the breakage of the accessories during the connection. Now we'll see what are the equipments needed, what are the materials needed for the connection of this two lamp controlled by the two different independent switches. So the PVC contact pipe we already calculated, it is required 120 centimeter. Is 20 mm diameter is enough, because we are running only one set of wire, only two lamps we are controlling. So 1 centimeter, 120 centimeter of 20 mm diameter is required. The neutral link is 60 ampere 230 voltage, one number is required in order to connect the neutral. The fuse unit is 60 ampere 230 voltage, that is one number. PVC box 4 into 4, one number. Then PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter 360 centimeter. So that can be calculated from the requirement. PVC junction box 3-way 20 millimeter. So the PVC pipe is 20 millimeter. So the junction box also 20 millimeter. That is one number. Then Steady batten holder, lamp holder 5 ampere 230 volt, that is also one number. SPDT SPST switch 6 ampere 230 voltage, one number. SPDT means single pole single throne switch is required. Metal saddle 20 millimeter, 6 numbers are required, and these screws are required. 13 into 4 8 number, 26 into 6 20 number, 38 into 6 2 numbers. So this is the requirement. So in this video we discuss about the 2 lamp controlled by 2 different switches independently connected in parallel. Subscribe this channel for more videos. The link is available in the description box. Thank you. Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the electrical wiring layout, 4th model, 1 lamp, 1 calling bell and 1 socket plug point. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to the wiring and other topic. This material also available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we have 1 lamp, 1 calling bell and 1 plug point. Now refer the diagram. So the 1 lamp is available. This is a calling bell. This is a plug point. So we need to go for the wiring of these 3 accessories: lamp, calling bell and the plug point. So here the 230 volt supply available, 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply available. So the neutral is always connected directly to the accessories, directly to the lamp through the neutral link. So the neutral is directly connected to this lamp. From lamp one more tapping is taken, that is connected to the calling bell. From calling bell one more tapping is taken, that is connected to the neutral of the plug point socket. So the now neutral is connected through neutral link directly to the lamp, to the calling bell and then neutral point of a plug point. The phase is connected, always connected through the fuse and switches. The fuse is used to protect the circuit. Based on the rating, if we put the fuse, if any abnormal condition or over current, the fuse will glow. Fuse will glow means the circuit will be disconnected, so that we can protect the circuit from the over current. So phase always connected to through the fuse. Then it is given to the switches. Switch S1. Switch S1 used to control the lamp 1. So when the switch is closed, the supply, the new phase is given to the lamp, so the lamp will glow. From this point the phase is taken, tapping is taken, that phase is connected to the switch S2. This switch is used to control the calling bell. It's a push type. When it is pressed it is turned on, when it is released it will be turned off. But this switch is, when it is turned on, it will be in on condition always. This is a push type. So when it is closed, the calling bell will ring, the ringing of calling bell. So from here one more tapping is taken, that is given to the face of the socket, plug point. So when you put the plug point here, we will get the phase and neutral supply. Here also one switch will be available. So the neutral is directly connected, phase is connected through fuse to the switch S1 to control the lamp. Then tapping is taken, gets given to the switch S2. This is a push type switch, control the calling bell. From here again one more tapping is taken, that is given to the 3-pin plug, so that we can control the plug point also. The earth line is run through the entire wiring network and on the plug point also, earthing point, so that this is become a 3-pin plug. Now based on the distance we can calculate the PVC pipe and wire requirement. This is 15 centimeter, this is another 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, this will be 20 centimeter, so that this also 20 centimeter. This entire length is 20 centimeter. So by adding all we can decide how much length of PVC pipe is required. Then we will see the incandescent lamp rating. This is 60 watts 230 volt supply. The lamp what we are using is 60 watt 230 volt. So based on the rating only we can decide the fuse and other ratings, so that we need to decide what type of lamp and what is the rating of the lamp we are going to use. Now we'll see the some procedure. What are the procedure we need to follow during the entire wiring process? So we need to follow the standard color. For phase we need to use the red color cable. For neutral we need to use black color cable or wire. For earth connection we need to use green color cable or wire. We need to follow these standards. We already discussed the phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. The phase is connected through the fuse and switches. Neutral is connected directly. Protect the circuit with rated fuses. We need to put the rated fuse so that we can protect the circuit. The rating should not more than or should not less than. It should be exactly what we need. Insulation of wire and end of the conductor are very close to the terminals. We should not remove more insulation. Whatever required we need to remove that insulation only, then it is connected very close to the terminal, so that we can avoid the open terminal as well as we can avoid the shocking, and also avoid the over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for any over tight. We should need to avoid the breakings. Now we'll see what are the equipments needed to go for this wiring. One lamp, one calling bell and one plug point. The first we need a PVC contact pipe 20 millimeter diameter, because we have only 3 equipments: lamp, calling bell and plug point. So this 20 mm is enough. 145 centimeter is required. Based on the diagram, the dimensions given, based on that we can decide it is 145 centimeter is required. PVC junction box 4-way, because we need 4-way available. One is going to lamp, another one going to lamp, then plug point, then switches. So that 4-way junction box is needed, 2 numbers. The neutral link is 6 ampere, 16 ampere, 240 voltage. 1 number is required. Fuse unit 16 ampere, 240 voltage. 1 number is required. Then PVC box 4 x 4 inch. 2 numbers required. And 6 x 4, 1 number is required, based on the requirement. Then other requirements are PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter is enough, because we need only 1 lamp, 1 plug point and 1 calling bell. That is 480 centimeters required. Based on the diagram, the dimensions given, from that we can decide. Steady baton holder 2 numbers, in order to keep lamp and the calling bell. 2 numbers required. SP-ST switch 6 ampere, 230 voltage, 3 numbers, 1 for lamp, 1 for calling bell, 1 for plug point. Metal saddle 20 millimeter, 8 numbers required, in order to fix the PVC cables. Then steel screw 13 into 4 millimeter, 12 numbers required. 25 into 6 millimeter, 34 numbers required. 38 into 6 millimeter, 2 numbers required. Then PVC bend 20 millimeter, 1 number required. 2 in 1 socket 6 ampere, 230 volt, 1 number required. Then VIR wire 1 bar 18 gauge, 80 centimeter required. So these are all the requirement to complete this electrical wiring, this model. Subscribe this channel for more videos and notification. The material link available in the description box. Thank you. Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the electrical wiring layout, 5th model, staircase wiring. One lamp is controlled by 2 different switches, kept in the 2 different places. Normally in the staircase, the ground floor to first floor or first floor to second floor, like that we can control. The lamp is controlled independent of 2 switches. The switch 1 are able to turn on, turn off the lamp. Switch 2 also turn on, turn off the lamp. So that is called a staircase wiring. Now we'll go to the diagram. So this is the lamp we need to control. Only one lamp available in the staircase, that should be controlled by these two switches. Either switch 1 or switch 2. We can able to control the lamp with the switch S1 alone or switch S2 alone, or both combinations. If you operate any one switch, if the lamp is on off condition, mean it will turn on. If it is on condition, mean it will be turned off. So that is the main objective of this wiring. So we have 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply available. The two terminals, phase and neutral, is available. Normally the neutral is directly connected to the lamp. Neutral wire is always connected through the neutral link. It is directly connected to the lamp. The phase end is connected through the fuse and switches. The phase is connected through fuse and switches. The fuse is used to protect the circuit from the overcurrent. If any overcurrent occurs in the circuit, the fuse will glow, so that the supply is disconnected. The entire circuit is disconnected from the supply, so that we can avoid the overcurrent damaging of the circuit. That is the purpose of fuse, so that phase is always connected to the fuse. These switches are used to control the lamp. So the phase is connected through fuse and switches. Now we'll see the connection. So that three terminals available in switch S1 and S2. The terminal 1, 2 and 3. Similarly 1, 2 and 3. So this is a normally on position. If it is in upward direction, normally on. Here it is in on condition. If it is kept here, it is off condition. Downward is the off condition. Upward is the on condition. Now both are in on condition. How it is connected? The neutral is connected to one end of the lamp. Other end of the lamp is connected to terminal 3. Terminal 3 of the switch S2. So this is one circuit. One wire is the neutral wire connected to the lamp. Other end of the lamp connected to third terminal of the switch S2. This third terminal of S1 and first terminal of S2 are short circuited. Both are short circuited. Similarly, second terminal of switch S1 and second terminal of switch S2, that also short circuited. This terminal 1 is energized by the phase, connected to the phase. Right? So the terminal 1 is connected by the phase. Terminal 2 short circuited. Terminal 3 and terminal 1 also short circuited. This terminal 3 connected to the lamp. So this is the connection. So we need to run one wire connecting the phase to the lamp to the terminal 3 of S2. Another wire connecting terminal 3 of switch S1 to terminal 1 of switch S2. Another wire connecting the terminal 2 of S1 as well as S2. Another wire connecting phase to the terminal 1 of S1. Right? So there are 4 wires we need to run. Neutral, this wire and this central wire and this phase wire. The upward direction is the on condition, downward mean off condition. Now both are in on condition. Now we'll see there are 4 possible options available. S1 and S2 are in on condition. What will happen? Neutral is already connected. The phase will connected through S1. So it is in on condition. So it will go like this. This is also on condition. So it will, the supply is given to the lamp. Right? If both are on condition, means from phase to passing through the fuse and switch S1 and this center wire, then switch S2, and it will go to the lamp. Now the lamp will glow. If you operate any one switch, if you change the any one switch, the lamp should be in off condition. Now we are turn off the switch S1. That is the switch is now brought to the downward. This is disconnected. This end is disconnected. This terminal is connected. Now what will happen if this terminal is connected? The phase is going through the fuse and it will go to the off condition, this condition, not in the upward, the terminal 3. But here the terminal 3 is in open condition. Here there is no connection. So the lamp will be in off. So in the second condition, the first condition both are in on condition, the lamp will glow. If you switch off the switch S1, the lamp will be in off condition because it is disconnected. There is no connection here. Now connection available like this in the off condition. If S2 is also in off condition, that is this terminal is brought down, what will happen? The phase going through the fuse is already in off condition, it will go here. So this also in off condition. Now it will go to the lamp, the supply is given to the lamp. The first condition is given through the on, now it is going through the off condition. Both are in off condition mean the circuit will close like this. In this condition, if you turn on this switch S1 again, what will happen? This will be disconnected. The supply will go here, but this is in open condition, so the circuit will not close, so the bulb will be in off condition, right? So initially both are on, the lamp is on. The switch S1 is put into off, so the lamp will be turned off. If S2 is on, if S2 is also kept in off, the switch will be on. If S1 is on and S2 is off, that also the switch, the lamp will be in off condition. So it is operated independently. So if any one switch is operated, if the lamp is in on condition, it will off. If it is off condition, it will on. See here, both are on mean off. Both are on, the lamp also on. This while operating the switch S1, it going from on to off. While operating the switch, it will go from off to on. While operating the switch, it will go from on to off. They keep on changes. Any changes in the position, the lamp condition also changes. We need to follow the standard colors for the wire. For phase wire, we need to use the red color. For neutral wire, we need to use the black color. For earth wire, we need to use the green color wire. Now we will see what are the procedure we need to follow while doing this staircase wiring. The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. The neutral can be connected directly, but phase wire always we need to connect with the fuse and switches. In order to go for a protection, using fuse we can protection, switches we can control the lamp. Protect the circuit with the rated fuses. The rating of fuse is very important. Based on the accessories we need to choose. We should not choose greater or lesser value. Exact value should be chosen. Insulation of wire and end of conductors are very close to the terminals. We should not remove the insulation much more. The required amount of insulation must be removed and it is connected to the terminal, so that we can avoid open circuit and also we can avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for over tight and should not break the accessories. Now we will see what are the equipments needed, what are the materials needed to complete this staircase wiring. So PVC contact pipe of 20 millimeter diameter is required, 105 centimeter. The distances are given in the diagram. Based on that we can calculate 105 centimeter. That is depends upon our requirement. The incandescent lamp what we are using 60 watts 230 volt one number. So based on this rating only we can decide the other ratings. The PVC junction box 3-way we need one number 20 millimeter diameter. Neutral link 16 ampere 240 voltage one number required. Fuse link 60 ampere 240 voltage one number is required. PVC box 4 into 4 inch 2 numbers required. Insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter is enough because we are using only one lamp, that is 280 centimeter is required. Then steady batten holder 5 ampere 230 voltage one number in order to hold the lamp. SPDT switch 6 ampere 230 volt 2 numbers required. Single pole double thrown. Single pole means only phase is connected, double thrown means there are on and off. Three terminals available, so that there are double thrown. We can go with on or off. Metal saddle 20 millimeter 6 numbers required. Steel screw 13 into 4 millimeter 8 numbers required, 19 into 6 millimeter 20 numbers required, 38 into 6 millimeter 1 number required. So these are all the requirements. So in this video we discuss about the staircase wiring, controlling the one lamp with two different switches kept in the two different places, normally in the staircase, first floor, second floor, like that. Subscribe this channel for more videos related to wiring and other topics. The material link also available in the description box. Thank you. Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the electrical wiring layout, 6th model, godown wiring. So the godown is a big place. In that we can have three different lamps are available. Let us consider this is available at the beginning, at the entrance. It is available at the middle. It is available at the end. So we need to operate any one lamp is enough. While entering, we need to turn on this lamp 1. While enter into the godown at the center place, we can turn on this lamp 2. At the end, we can turn on this lamp 3. So any one lamp is required. So in this wiring, we are able to operate these three lamps independently. We can operate this by using the switches. We can operate these three lamps according to our requirement. So subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to wiring and other topic. This material also available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the wiring. Now refer the diagram. So the three lamps available, lamp 1, lamp 2 and lamp 3. Three different lamps are available. It is controlled by the three different switches. S1, S2, S3, three different switches are available. So here the supply is available, supply is given. 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply is available. This is a phase neutral, two terminals are available, phase and neutral. So the neutral always it is connected directly to the lamp. So the neutral, through the neutral link, it is connected to the lamp 1. From there one tapping is taken, that is connected to lamp 2, one end of the lamp 2. From there one tapping is taken, that is connected to one end of the lamp 3. So this neutral is connected directly to lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3, one end of lamp 1, lamp 2 and lamp 3. So the other terminal is controlled by the phase, controlled by the switches. So this phase always connected through the fuse and switches, because fuse is used to protect the circuit. In any overcurrent occurs, this fuse will glow, so the circuit will be disconnected from the supply. We can avoid any damaging. So it is connected through the fuse. Then connected through the switches in order to control the glow of the lamp, lamp 1, 2 and 3. There are three switches are available. Now we'll see what is the connection available here. So this switch is the switch S1 is SPST, single pole, single thrown. Only one pole is available, either on or off. If it is closed, on; if it is open, if it is on off condition. But switch S2 and S3 is the single pole double thrown. Double thrown means here if you put here on condition, if you put here off condition. The double thrown, double thrones are available. Here only one. If it is open off condition, if it is closed on condition. But here if you put here on condition, if you put here off condition. There are two poles are available. Here only one pole is available. Now we'll see how to control the lamp. So our aim is, while entering the godown, we need to operate this lamp 1. While going inside, we need to operate L2. While going at the end of the godown, we need to operate only L3. That is our aim. So while entering this one, lamp 1, while going to the middle, lamp 2, while going to the end, we need to operate L3. Right? L1, L2, L3. Now we'll see how it is operated by using the switch. So the phase is connected to one end of this terminal. Then it is connected like this. It is connected to another terminal. This on is connected to lamp 1. This off condition is connected to next switch. Again this on condition is connected to lamp 2. this off condition is connected to lamp 3. Now we will see how the circuit is closed, how the supply is given to the different lamp. The switch S1 is the main switch. If you turn on S1, then only we can operate the entire operation. If S1 is in off condition, these two switches will not work out. We cannot operate the switches, right? So the S1 is in on condition, we can go to control S2 and S3. If S1 is in off condition, the entire circuit is disconnected. So we cannot go anything, right? So first we will consider this S1 is on condition. S1 is in the on condition. We will consider that S2 also on and S3 also in on condition. Like this, all are in the on condition. So what will happen if S1 is on condition, supply is given, this circuit is closed on condition. So it will go to the switch S2. What will happen here? It is in on condition. So the supply will go to the lamp 1. So the lamp 1 will glow. When S1 is on condition, S2 also on condition, S3 also on condition. S1 on condition means supply will close here. It will go to the switch S2. Here S2 is connected to lamp 1. So the lamp 1 will glow. Now what we are doing? We are turn off this switch S2. This switch S2 is off. So circuit is now closed here. This supply is disconnected. The supply is given to switch S3. Where S3 is connected to the second lamp. So now the second lamp will glow. First lamp will be disconnected because this end is connected here. It is turned off. The second lamp will glow. If the third switch also in off condition. So what will happen? Already this is in on condition. This is in off condition. So the supply will come here. Here also off condition. The supply will go to the third lamp. So the third lamp will glow. So what we need to do while entering the godown, we need to turn on this switch S1. So automatically lamp 1 will glow. Then while entering into the center place, we need to turn off this second switch so that lamp 1 will be off condition, lamp 2 will be on condition. While entering into that the end, this will be in off condition. We need to put this in off condition. So the lamp 3 will glow, right? So that we can operate this lamp 1 initially, lamp 2 middle, lamp 2 at the end. Suppose the switch S1 is in off condition, we cannot do anything. So the supply is disconnected. This S2, S3 cannot be operated. All the lamps are in off condition. Now we'll see the tabular column so that you are able to understand easily. One tabular column is available. See this on condition. First 3, S1 is on condition so that we can operate the lamp. If S1 is off condition, while making the switch S2 or S2 either on or off, on and off, all the lamp will be in off condition, right? If S1 is off, all the lamp will be in off condition only. See the upward direction for on, downward direction for off. Suppose if S1 is on, first 3 condition, S1 is kept in on condition. S2, S3 also in on condition. So lamp 1 is glowing. If S2 is put in off condition, lamp 2 will glow. If S3 is put in off condition, lamp 3 will glow. So we can operate this. This is lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3. By operating, S1 is on, S2 is off, S3 is off. So that we can operate like this. According to our requirement, we can operate. So we need to follow the standard color. For phase, we need to use the red color cable. For neutral, we need to use the black color cable. For earth, we need to use the green color cable. The incandescent lamp what we are using 60 watts 230 volt supply rating. So if you decide the rating, then only we can go for other requirements. Now we need to see what are the procedure we need to follow. The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. That is neutral is connected directly. Phase wire always connected through the fuse and switches in order to protect the circuit and also control the circuit. Protect the circuit with rated fuses. Based on this rating, we need to decide the rating of the fuse. The rating should not more or should not less. We'll see some more precautions. Insulation of wire and end of the conductors are very close to the terminals. So we should not remove more insulation. It should be, we need to remove what are the requirement, that amount of insulation should be removed, and there should be a closeness between the wire and terminal, so that we can avoid open circuiting and avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for any over tight. Now we'll see what are the requirement of the wiring for this go down wiring. The PVC contact pipe we need 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter size we need 165 centimeter. The dimension available in the diagram, based on that we can decide it is, we need 165 centimeter. PVC junction box 3-way we need 1 number. 4-way we need 2 numbers. So this is also 20 millimeter. The pipe is 20 millimeter, automatically junction box also 20 millimeter. Neutral link we need 16 ampere 240 voltage 1 number. Fuse unit 16 ampere 240 voltage 1 number. PVC box 4 into 4 inch 3 numbers are required. PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter. 1 square millimeter is enough because we are using only one lamp at a time. That is required 165 centimeter. So this one decided based on the dimension available in the diagram. Steady batten holder 5 ampere 230 volt 3 numbers required. SPST switch, that is S1. S1 is the single pole single thrown on off, that is required 1 number. SPDT, the 3 terminals available, one is supply there, another 2 on and off, the 2 numbers required, S2 and S3. Then metal saddle we need 20 millimeter size 10 numbers. Then steel screw 13 into 4 millimeter 12 numbers, 25 into 6 millimeter 34 numbers, 38 into 6 millimeter 3 numbers. So these are all the requirements. So in this video we discuss about the go down wiring, operating the 3 lamp available in the go down according to our requirement. It can consider as 1 lamp is kept at the door, 1 lamp kept at the center, 1 lamp kept at the end of the go down. Those 3 are operated independently. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to wiring and other topics. The material link is available in the description box. Thank you.